The United States.
USA?
The what?
Of America.
Amazing.
How did you get in?
Call the police. I can't stop the horrible respect people have for me.
Well, homelessness is still on the table.
You must have met a great many strange and disturbed
Gangsters.
Gangsters, what's up, guys?
Oh, I can't believe you did that. That's amazing.
Creative sentencing is common these days.
Creative driving.
Thought maybe we should watch the video.
I subscribe.
Yeah.
What's not to love about this?
Yeah, I'm hungry, I'm motivated, I want to do well for the team.